I don't think people understand how much a single title can change sales. What's something people don't know about product listings? The right keywords can do the heavy lifting. Here's how to make your listing work for you. First step, fix your title. Think like your customer. What would they type? Men's running shoes. Lightweight, breathable sneakers. This is the kind of title that actually gets clicks. Use those keywords naturally across your title, description, and tags. Don't stuff, just be smart. Next, images matter. Multiple angles, proper lighting, a clean background. The clearer your photos, the more confident buyers feel, and search engines notice that engagement. Give buyers useful info. Size, materials, shipping times. Details boost rankings. And here's a pro tip. Update your listings regularly. Small edits tell platforms your product is active and relevant. Want credibility? Encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback. Reviews not only convert shoppers, they lift you in search. Finally, consider a B2B platform like Tradewheel to expand exposure. It connects you with global buyers and helps optimize listings for better search performance. Ranking isn't luck, it's strategy. Try these steps, monitor results, and tweak. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more business growing tips.